Destined to revolutionize the sport of obtaining live game by any means possible, the Purple Blotino has arrived. The Purple Blotino. The Purple Blotino. The Purple Blotino. The Purple Blotino is for those of you who are tired of coming home from a long day of searching with nothing to show for it. This incredible object works on the carefully researched scientific principle of sonic gender wavelength frustration bivalve pulsation fragmentation. It sends out signals the big ones just love. They love it and so will you. Just fling the Purple Blotino in any direction and stand by for action. Lunkers love it and so will you. Buy the Purple Blotino. Terrific for yard sharks, porch perch, driveway bass, and ziplock amphibians. Order the Purple Blotino now and receive absolutely free a handful of candy mice. And as an extra special bonus gift, a plastic campfire coffee cup holder. But wait, we're not through. With each Purple Blotino, you will also receive some tape, a stapler, and a matching set of hat and gloves. If after 3 years you're not 40% satisfied, we'll buy it back from you in 6 months or so and you keep the candy mice, the plastic campfire coffee cup holder, the tape, the stapler, and the matching set of hat and gloves. The Purple Blotino is not for sale in any store, but it can be yours. Just call 1-800-800-8000. That's 1-800-800-8000. The Purple Blotino. Order today.